Hello guys, welcome back to Spotoro channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to delete list on Amazon for Android. And for that I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss off our videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And let's go to the started. First we go to the Amazon application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Amazon. And after that you can go to the profile symbol in the below. Okay, if you want to delete for your list, you can click on the list that you want to be deleted and click the three dots in the upper of the right corner. And for the next step you can click the manage lists. And how to be deleted, you can slide away until you find about the delete list. Click on the delete list, and this is confirmed to delete. Are you sure you want to delete this list? You can click yes. And now your list is normal for your Amazon application. It's very simple way to do it. Okay, this is a tutorial how to delete lists on Amazon for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.